sobabili sizisise siye kwanhliziyo ngise lapho uthando luvuselelwa khona ungakhona sengiyacela asike senze izinto zakhona kungekho umuntu ongasibona nabangani babezwa ngalo lo ndaba bayodliwa isikhwele jealous bona banomona bona abashiye umona la oshiya umona la man wentombi uyisinqanda mathe swidi lami lomkhuhlane sina singamathi nolimi imfudumalo yami yasebusika wena wangiphikekhela imnandi ngalisika jini bethunana unethantoni wanamyendisakhoni ukuyibamba lemiswa enokuyizwa engasenza sakho umndeni asakhe umndeni ngalothando lwethu olungelona lwasesigangeni yingakho-ke ngithi Keman wentombi uyisinqanda mathe swidi lami lomkhuhlane izimbali zibovu roses are red and violets are blue. Can't let our love fade like truth. In a cold weather for two, winter nights turns dark for blue either. Your soul becomes the pill to heal my flu. So kind and cool, my dude, my boo. Look into my eyes and see your pretty face too. Of the love that we embrace, then we hug and kiss like playing hide and seek. Hold my hands and please, let me see those juicy lips and taste that good shandy. Yes, we roll our eyes like playing the dice. Oh, that feeling is good, it's nice. Love, days are dark, Nancy. Friends are few, Gandhi. Yimi now is about two by two, not by two. Touching and making love is romantic too, so I promise. So zenguhe segapulu goba izimbali zibovu. Roses are red and violets are blue. Oh ma, he kept you pose.
Hello.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much. This is Savannah Festival. This is open mic, ladies and gentlemen. Right at the Market Theatre. One more time, give it up for EK Before we continue, because we're about to end this thing, because there's a short